Innovation begins with curiosity, and at Cadet College Hassan Abdal, that curiosity got a solid form in robotics. The Robotics Club was formally commissioned by the 9th Entry Abdalians. The club aims to promote interest in STEM, develop expertise in robotics, electronics, programming, and mechanical design, and encourages innovation, analytical thinking, and problem-solving techniques, preparing cadets for challenges on both national and international platforms. Cadets follow a grade-wise learning pathway from basic robotics concepts to autonomous system and competition-level robots. Through regular workshops, practical sessions, and project-based learning, technical skills are sharpened and knowledge is passed from seniors to juniors, creating a self-sustaining culture of mentorship and learning. With a strong focus on excellence, the club actively prepares teams for national-level robotics competitions. The results speak for themselves. First position at National Engineering Robotics Contest in 2015, winners in the modular category in 2016 and 17, champions of Robo Challenger National Olympiad 2017, first position at the first Global Pakistan event.
Recently we went to 𝐂𝐥𝐻, which is one of the top engineering universities of Pakistan, and we competed at university level with university students, and we were able to secure second position, alhamdulillah, with a line follower that we made using Arduino IDE. So we've been currently working on a few different platforms, namely Arduino, Lego Spike and Lego EV3, and we normally take inspiration from real-life mechanics.
आजकल मैं एक हेल्गा पॉड पर काम कर रहा हूँ जो कि एक 6-legged रोबोट है। मैं फ्यूचर में मैकेट्रॉनिक्स में जाना चाहता हूँ, जिसकी वजह से रोबोटिक्स क्लब मेरे लिए एक बहुत अच्छा जरिया है अपने स्किल्स को हासिल करने के लिए।
From innovation to competition, the Robotics Club continues to strengthen the technological profile of Cadet College Hassan Abdal. One circuit, one line of code, and one breakthrough at a time.